So now check if you are in RGB mode. Go into the File menu, into Document Color mode, and RGB is checked. You also see that on the document bar here, RGB. But you don't see that anymore if you go into full screen mode with the F key on the keyboard. Try that. Hit the F key shortly, and it changes the way the document is displayed. Full screen mode without the toolbars. Okay, so it's better to go into that mode, full screen mode with toolbars. So with the space key on the keyboard, of course, you move the document if you want on the screen. Okay, let's make a first shape here. Select the rectangle tool and just click on the document, and you have a box which appears, and you may choose the size of the document in metrics. Okay, so I have a 4 centimeter square. The other way to use the tool is to make a drag and drag, click and drag. So you choose the size of the rectangle any way you want, of course. So two ways to use the tools. By clicking, you have the box and you input the values. And the other way, you click and drag and you choose the values. Okay, so what do we have here? Rectangles with a black stroke, but the background of the rectangle, the fill, is it white or transparent? How do you know that? Because while the rectangle is selected, you see that in the toolbar, okay? That's it? Okay. But let's check by switching on the transparency mode on the document, because everything which is outside of these rectangles, just beside it, is transparency. So go in View menu, Show Transparency Grid, and you have the checkered board, which is the way in Adobe softwares the transparency is shown. In the View menu, Show Transparency Grid. So now you know and you see that the rectangles are really white. They have white backgrounds, white fills, and not transparency.